Let's start our journey with a fiery spectacle in Turkmenistan, the door to hell. This burning natural gas field, aflame since 1971, serves as an eternal beacon, piercing the darkest of nights. From there, let's transition to the warm embrace of Turkey, where we Pamukkale, or as it translates, Cotton Castle. Here, the white terraces of mineral-rich waters cascade down slopes, mimicking a snow-like landscape in the heart of summer. From Turkmenistan's fiery pit to Turkey's snowy terraces, we see that our world is an intricate tapestry of contrasts. Let's uncover these wonders together. After a minute, we'll revisit these awe-inspiring locales, keeping the wonder alive.